Shanghai Huawei Welding&Cutting Machine Company Limited was established in 1995 and located in Shanghai City, China. As a comprehensive manufacturing and trading company, we occupy an area of more than 16,000 square meters. We have been in welding and cutting industry for more than 20 years and are specialized in producing all kinds of gas cutting machine, CNC cutting machine, welding carriage, beveling machine, and other accessories. We are famous for superior quality, competitive prices, first-class craftworks, safe package, and prompt delivery. Therefore, we can fully satisfy your demands and have a large customer base. Many kinds of series and models of our products have got CE certifications, and we owned ISO 9001, 2008 certifications since our production and operation management. We're also a new high-tech enterprise, which awarded by relevant organizations of Shanghai City. Except our own products, our professional R&D team and skilled workers can also provide OEM services and accept customized order as well. We have developed designs for our customers in USA, Mexico, Russia, Spain, Saudi Arabia, Malaysia, and our products are popular in overseas markets. We will supply much better products with diversified designs and professional services. We sincerely welcome friends from all over the world to visit our company and cooperate with us on the basis of long-term mutual benefits. We are looking forward to receiving your inquiries soon.